this is the P. Moriarty Master 97 model. This is P. Moriarty's top of the line alto saxophone. And when you play it for the first time, you know why. The sound is very centered, it's very even. Every note feels almost the same, from all the way from high F to all the way to low B flat. The horn is one of the most easy playing altos I've ever played, probably because of the great design of this Super 6 neck. The horn is also absolutely beautiful. The mother of pearl keys give it a classy look. The hand engraving is some of the best engraving that I have ever seen on a saxophone. This is no question in my mind that P. Moriarty has outdone itself with this Master 97 horn. If you're an alto player and you're looking for a wonderful brand new horn that has personality, free blowing, easy to play, plays in tune, I recommend this Master 97 horn to anyone looking to buy a new horn.